Dear viewers, welcome to Janu Manu Kitchen. Today we are going to present to you Pakistani chana dal recipe. In this recipe we are going to use 150 grams of yellow lentils, or you can call it hummus, and around 50 grams of oats or red lentils. Put both these lentils into the water for 2 to 3 hours so they become soft. After soaking the lentils for a couple of hours, we have now cleaned the lentils underwater couple of times. In this recipe, we are going to use 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we cut one small piece of ginger into slices. We have taken 1 cup of coriander leaves. We have taken one big onion, cut into slices, and fry it until it is dark brown. To make the onion crispier, we added 1 teaspoon of corn flour in the onions before we fry them. At this stage, we are going to put the lentils inside the cooker, and we are going to put 3 glass of water to make the lentils soak properly. We are using 150 grams of hummus, yellow lentils, and 50 grams of Arts red lentils. To soak them properly, 3 glass of water is sound about right. If we don't put enough water inside it, it is possible that it is get burned. So 3 glasses of water is about right. Before we close the lid, we are going to put 1 tablespoon of salt in it. We do not need any other spices at this stage, only the salt is enough. After we close the lid, we're gonna boil the lentils for 10 to 15 minutes. So we cooked it for about 15 minutes, and now we're gonna open it. We're gonna take off this lid, open it and check it. Stir it to see if it's done or not. So it is, yeah, it is properly done, and you can see a little bit of water is left, and it is not sticked at the bottom. So this is how we need this dal to be. In this stage, we are going to put 1 cup of ghee or oil. Ghee, if you use a ghee, it is better because it adds more taste to this recipe. Don't make it too hot. Now you put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry it for 1 minute on a low flame. After that, put 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste inside the oil or a ghee and fry it on a low flame for 1 minute. Mix the cumin seeds and the ginger garlic paste. Now at this stage, we will put our boiled lentils inside the oil and keep stirring it. Make sure that the flame is between low to medium. Don't make it a high flame because it will start sticking at the bottom. Keep stirring it at this point. Now we have put all the dal inside the oil. Just keep stirring the dal for a couple of minutes until it is properly mixed with the oil. At this stage, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of turmeric inside the dal and stir the dal for a couple of minutes until the turmeric is properly mixed inside the dal. Please keep stirring the dal at low flame so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. At this stage, we are going to put the fried onions which we have prepared. Please use half quantity of fried onions inside the dal and mix it until they are properly mixed together. Next, we are going to put some banana chilies or green chilies and mix them. And then we are going to put a little bit of ginger inside the dal and mix them together. Here you can see the dal is start to stick a little bit at the bottom, so we are going to put around quarter cup of water and then mix it so it doesn't get stick at the bottom. Here for the taste and fragrance, we are going to add a couple of coriander leaves and mix them together for a couple of minutes. Here we have taken 2 spices, 1 tablespoon of black pepper coarse, which is in the granular form, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. We're gonna mix these 2 spices in 1 glass of water. Please make sure that you mix them together properly. Dear viewers, we are almost there. In this stage, we are going to put the masalas we prepared in the previous step inside the dal. We need to make sure that we keep stirring the dal for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame until these masalas are properly mixed inside the dal. After 4 or 5 minutes of cooking, you can see the masalas are properly mixed inside the dal. At this point, I am putting quarter teaspoon of black pepper. This is a personal preference just for the taste. If you have it, you can put it in. If you don't have it, that is fine. Again, mix the black pepper inside the dal for a couple of minutes so it is properly mixed inside the dal. To make the dal creamy, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter inside the dal and mix it until it becomes properly melted. Our spicy and delicious dal is ready to be served. Before you serve it, put half a cup of ghee on the top of it. Put little bit of banana chilies or green chilies, some ginger and some coriander leaves. Dear viewers, our tasty and delicious chana dal is ready to be served. We're gonna try it with a plain rice. So let's try it. Take a bite of chana dal, put it on a rice. You can also try it with a pickle. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's so tasty. If you like it, please subscribe, comment and follow us. Thank you.